Hey, you know how I feel? I feel pissed. You know why I feel pissed? Because of you. You and your corporateness and your little whininess. I'm gonna whine about my gas bills because I suck. And my gas bills are high, so I'm gonna whine about them. And goth people, you suck too because I'm gonna whine because I think my life sucks, so I'm gonna kill myself. But no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it to annoy people because I'm really annoying and I suck. And what else annoys me? Oh yeah, fat people. You and your and George Bush, him and his corporateness.
Sir,
and
I'm going to have to ask you to leave that.
Hey, that's not fair.
Sir,
this
you're
is
not
racist.
opposing me.
You just hate me because I'm black.
Damn it, why are you? Some kind of mutant?
No, wait,
freak?
no.
Damn it, you little turd! I'm gonna kill you!
You're alive.
Well, time for donuts.